Hey guys. Movie recapped here. Let's start.
Hereditary architects Clive Polley, Adrien Brody, and Elsa cast Sarah Polley accomplished notoriety by effectively grafting together the DNA of various creatures to make extraordinary new mixture creatures. Presently they need to involve human DNA in a half and half that could upset science and medication. Yet, the drug organization that supports their exploration, NERD, Nucleic Exchange Research and Development, prohibits it, rather ordering that their area of expertise be revamped to zero in on finding and separating specific proteins from the animals they have effectively made. Not wishing to invest all their energy occupied with what they consider everyday exploration for the following 5 to 10 years, Clive and Elsa subtly lead their own analysis, mixing human DNA with that of different creatures. However, they differ about really carrying the crossbreed to term. Elsa pushes the issue and she convinces Clive to oblige it. In Proceeded with Mystery, they name their animal Dren, Gig in reverse, who surpasses their most out-of-this-world fantasies. She starts to develop and learn at a sped-up rate as their lab turns out to be extremely packed, and the danger of Dren being found expands. They move Dren to Elsa's late mother's ranch. One of the first crossover creatures that they had made, which was initially female, had changed sex. Unbeknownst to the engrossed Clive and Elsa, this prompted a terrible show during an organization investors gathering, when the two unique half-breeds, beforehand one male and one female especially enamored with one another, became both male, saw each other as adversaries and bloodily killed each other before a stunned crowd of investors and likely financial backers. Following this gathering, NERD wound up at risk for leaving business except if they could track down a beneficial revelation. Their work at the organization endures as their consideration is centered around Dren. In the interim, Dren has become land and or water capable and omnivorous with a poisonous sting and retractable wings emerging from parts of her arm and back. Elsa, who had framed a maternal bond with Dren, alters her perspective after Dren shows fierce conduct, killing her own pet feline in a spirit of meanness and attacking her. She removes Dren's stinger and utilization's natural tissue from it to at last separate and integrate a protein they had been looking for. Before long, Clive is lured by Dren and has intercourse with her, causing Elsa a deep sense of nausea. During her sexual experience with Clive, Dren uncovers that she has recovered her stinger. Elsa and Clive have a warmed contention about Clive having cheated, during which he defies her with his revelation that she involved examples of her own DNA in the formation of Dren. Choosing to manage Dren, they return to the ranch, just to find her body in the water tank, evidently dead. They cover Dren close to the farmhouse yet before they leave, their manager from drug organization shows up, having sorted out that there was human half-breed of some kind or another due to the DNA present in the protein they had at long last blended. Elsa tells her manager he can uncover Dren's body to see it. Abruptly, they are assaulted by Dren, who is not dead, but rather evidently in trance state as her body of some kind went through changes that transformed her into a male. Subsequent to killing her chief and Clive's sibling, Dren hauls Clive into a freezing lake. Elsa hauls him out, however he is oblivious and Elsa escapes. Dren tracks down her and assaults her. As Dren is assaulting Elsa, Clive acts the hero, spearing Dren with a huge sharp branch. Dren kills Clive with a poisonous sting. It is managed to lethal pass up Elsa when she crushes its head with a stone. Later on, Elsa is found in the workplace of the drug organization's head and is given a monstrous measure of cash in return for her quietness and taking the analysis to the following stage. The top of the organization then, at that point, expresses gratitude toward Elsa for the individual danger that she is going through. Elsa stands up and is uncovered to be pregnant with Dren's child.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. And comment which next movie you want in short time. Have a nice day.